In this video, I'm going to show you how to make money with affiliate marketing by using free traffic from Pinterest. You're also going to be utilizing AI technology that will make this process super easy so that it'll only take you about 15 minutes a day to do this and start earning yourself some serious cash. Oftentimes when I want information, I find myself going to Pinterest, and most of the times I make a purchase based on that pin. Now, I'm not the only one who do this. Pinterest gets over 1 billion visits per month, and 85% of those visits actually make a purchase from Pinterest, which is why I want to take a look at this page. This page gets over 10 million monthly views on their Pinterest account. Now, if we take a look at what they're posting, as you can see, they're just posting a bunch of different keto diet recipes. If we just take a further deep dive into one of those pins, for example, the keto pizza, as you can see, she's driving all of that traffic into the link in her description, which is her website. So we know that her Pinterest page gets over 10 million monthly views. How much of that views actually gets to her website? So what we're gonna do, we're actually gonna copy her website link, and then we're gonna come over to another website called Worth of Web. This is where we're gonna paste her website link in, and then we're gonna be able to see how many views her website gets. Her website gets over 130,000 views per month. So we're gonna say only 50% of the 130,000 actually come from Pinterest. So we'll go ahead and do the 130,000, okay? And then we're gonna times that by 50%. So that means 65,000 people come from Pinterest to her website. This is just a rough estimation. So let's just say, what if this wasn't her page? What if this was your page? And what if that link wasn't a link to a website? What if it was a link to your affiliate program? Follow me here. Let's just say that 65,000 people clicked that affiliate link in your description, okay? Now let's just say only a very small percent of them actually bought, as small as just 0.01%. That would still leave you with 650 people who actually purchased. Now let's just say your commission for that product was only $5. You would end up having $3,250 per month. It's actually that easy. Now, did you make that amount? No, you didn't, because you haven't gone out there and created your own page yet. But don't worry, I'm gonna show exactly how you can do this so you can start making that amount of money for yourself. So the first thing you need to do is find that affiliate marketing product to promote. The way you go about doing this, you head over to Google and then you search for ClickBank, or you can go to Google and then you can do a search for Digistore24. Whichever one works in your country or whichever one you prefer, go ahead and log in or simply sign up to that affiliate marketplace. Now, once on ClickBank, you're gonna head over to the affiliate marketplace. Now, when you're on the marketplace, you're gonna click over here where it says cooking, food, and wine. Now, once this section has loaded, you need to always sort by gravity, because that's how you know which products is performing the best. And then once you've sorted by gravity, you're gonna scroll through and find an affiliate offer that you want to promote, preferably one that has a good price range. Now, once you find that product, for example, this recipe cookbook, you're gonna go ahead and open the affiliate page, and then you'll also go ahead and click the page so that you can see what your customer, the traffic you're getting from Pinterest, are gonna see. So then you just take a look at it and make sure you like it, make sure it doesn't look spammy or too scammy. And then as you can see, the products they're promoting, and I think I like it, okay? Now, if we look at the affiliate page, all you want to do is go through this page. What you really need to look for is the affiliate rules, okay? You don't want to promote this in a way that the company doesn't want you to. Now, once you find a program that you like, all you need to do is click where it says promote, and then you're gonna click create hop link, okay? Now, once you get the link, you're gonna go ahead and copy the link, and then you're also gonna paste it in a notepad so that you have it for later, because it's necessary. And to find products on Digistore, it's the same exact process. You come over to the marketplace, as you can see here, and then you're gonna click food and drinks, and then as you can see, it's already ranked by sales, and then you can just look through, and then if you find one that you would like to promote, for example, this 5-minute vegan recipe cookbook, do the same thing. Check out the sales page, and then you also will need to check out the affiliate support page. Let's continue the process. You're gonna click promote now, and then you're gonna copy your link, and then you're gonna paste it in your notepad. So now this is the first step done. You have your affiliate links. These are your money makers. The next thing you need to do is create that link in the description. Most social media sites are not too fond of you just placing affiliate links right there, which is why you need to create a bridge page. And the easiest way to do this is by creating a page using DirectMe. All you need to do is come over to Google and make a search for DirectMe. When you see this one, you're gonna click register. Now, once you click register, you're gonna go ahead and sign up for your account. You can use an email address or you could sign up with Google. So do whichever one you prefer. So then you'll go ahead and set up your DirectMe page. Note well that the username cannot be changed. So make sure you set it with something you align with. So for example, you know your Pinterest page is gonna be about keto diet. So you can go ahead and call this bridge page keto diet, or just something along those lines, okay? Now, once you've created your DirectMe page, it's going to look something like this. You can go ahead and customize your page, okay? Add a display picture, add a background, add all these types of things you want to do, okay? You can play around with this. I went more into detail with this in my other Pinterest affiliate marketing video, so you can always check that out. But the most important thing you need to do when you're here is add in your affiliate links, okay? The way you do this is, you see where it says new item, you click add new item. From here, you click link or URL, and then the next thing you're gonna do is click, you see where it says link, you're gonna go ahead and click link. This is where you go ahead and you copy your affiliate link that you saved in your notepad, and then you paste it in there, okay? Then next, it's gonna add you to give a title. Now, if you don't know, all you need to do is remember that same link. You're gonna go ahead and open it up, see what it's called. See, this is a plant-based recipe cookbook. So you're just gonna go ahead and you're gonna name it that, okay? You see where it says title? You're gonna go and take out this, and then you're gonna call it. So now we added get your plant-based recipe cookbook here, okay? As you can see, it's now added onto our page, okay? Get your plant-based recipe cookbook here. So then you're gonna go ahead and do the same exact thing to add your other affiliate link. Now, as you can see, we have both of our cookbooks here. So what you then need to do, you're gonna go ahead and copy that link, okay? Make sure you decorate your page. Don't keep it blank like this. And over here, you see where it says copy link, and then you're gonna go back to your notepad. Then you're gonna put the link for your page here. This is what you're gonna add again in your Pinterest bio, okay? Now on your page, remember, you're gonna be posting recipes. Now maybe you can just post the blank recipes like her, but you want to also have an upper edge. She has the recipes on her website, okay? But you're not having a recipe on your website. So the next thing you need to do is create the content for your page. I'm gonna show you a very easy way you can do this using AI. So the first thing you're gonna do is you're going to go and search ChatGPT on Google. Once you click the first link, you're gonna go where it says ChatGPT, and you're gonna click try ChatGPT. If you have an account, click login. If not, you're gonna go sign up. Now once you're on ChatGPT, you're gonna ask it this prompt: give me a first step easy keto diet breakfast idea. Now you could change that to whatever you want. It could be plant-based, it could be gluten-free, whatever you want. Very simple, just like that, you have your content idea. It's that simple. Now I know what you're thinking. One, how are you gonna fill a Pinterest page with all these pins when it only gave you one? Ask it to give you more. You could just say give you 5 more. It went ahead and it gave me 5 more. Then I can give it this prompt: elaborate each of those in a 4-step process, okay? As you can see, the first one was the Greek yogurt parfait, however that's pronounced. And then you see 1, 2, 3, 4 steps right there. This is how you get your ideas coming in, okay? Now if you want more, you can say give me 5 more, and then you can ask it to elaborate or to expand in a 4-step process or 5-step process. It all depends on what you want. So then you pick one of the examples you like to create for your first pin. So we're gonna go with the keto breakfast burrito. How exactly do you go about creating that pin? Well, let me show you how. You need to come to canva.com. You could find a link for Canva in the description of this video. Now once on Canva, you're gonna go and do a search, okay? What you're gonna search for is Pinterest pin, okay? So now once you've searched for Pinterest pin, now it has the sizing already done for you, okay? So you're gonna click where it says create a blank Pinterest pin. Once you have the pin, remember we're creating a keto breakfast burrito. The first thing you need to get is a picture of a keto breakfast burrito. I'm gonna show you a very cool way you can do this, which will make you stand out. You see on the side here where Canva says apps, you're gonna click apps, and then you see where it says under create something new, you're gonna click text to image. Once you've done that, you're gonna click where it says portraits, and then you're gonna go ahead and you're gonna ask Canva to create what we want. We want a realistic keto breakfast burrito, and hit enter. Now Canva will begin generating us exactly what we asked for. And then when you want to use an option, you can go ahead and just click it. It's gonna put it on the page, and then you're just going to adjust it to fit your page. Now this will be our first page, okay? The next thing you need to do is add the title. You can just copy it from ChatGPT, head back over to Canva, click where it says text, you're gonna click add a heading, and then you're just gonna paste it in there. And then you can go ahead and change different aspects of the font in regards to the sizing, the different font style. You could even change the sizing again, like I said. You can change the positioning of the font as well as the color, and you can add even images behind it to make it stand out a little bit more, and then just do a little bit of more touching up. Now when it comes to editing your image, you can click on your image and go where it says edit image. You see where it says adjust, you'll click it, and then you can go ahead and play with these settings just to make your image look a little bit better. And then to make it more appealing, you see how it says ready in 15 minutes. That could get customers' interest. So we know ours is only 4 steps, so we can add that. Go to text, click add subheading, so that way people know that wow, our recipes are only 4-step process. So then I'm gonna go ahead and play with this a little bit more to make it more appealing to the eye. Now once you've played around with your design, it should look however you want it to look. Just try your best to make it look attractive. Now once you've done this, the next thing you're gonna do is you're gonna click add a page, okay? The next step you want to do is take your image and put it onto the second page. You're gonna come to your first page, you're just gonna pull this a bit to the side, okay? You're gonna copy your image, and then we're just gonna put this back, and then you're just gonna paste your image onto this page. Then you're gonna go into edit image, and then you're gonna click see all where it says adjust, scroll where you can see blur, okay? Then you're just gonna make this very blurry. So now that you have this page, you're just gonna add another page, and then you're gonna do the same thing. You're gonna copy this, and then you're gonna paste it onto this page. Now the reason you're doing this is because you want to have multiple pages like this so that you can go ahead and add in the steps, okay? Once you have this page, which is this page, you're gonna go ahead and then you're gonna copy copy where it says step 1, gather the ingredients, come back to Canva, and you can simply just paste it here. Canva will automatically put it in a text, but as you can see, it's very small. You can just go ahead and grab the corners to make it bigger. Now we don't like the text, so we can go ahead and edit the text. You go back to ChatGPT, you copy this, you come back, and then you paste it in again, okay? And then you can double click it, and then you can just click here and says 66 if you want it to be that big. And then once you have this information, you'll go ahead and pay for it. Again, edit the page to make it look more attractive to the eye, okay? I just edited to make it look a bit more attractive. So you see page 2, now you're gonna go to page 3, which is your blank page, and then you're gonna go back to ChatGPT and then click step 2, and then you're gonna paste it in there, and then you're gonna grab this, and then you're gonna paste it in there, okay? And then you can just edit it to look better, and then you can create the other pages for step 3 and do the same thing for step 4. Now once you've done that, it should look something like this, okay? You have the first page which says what the mail is, step 1, step 2, step 3, step 4. All this information you just copied and pasted it from ChatGPT, okay? Now once you have all that information, you need to ensure that you have your call to action page, okay? Make it sound a bit natural, don't sound too forward. Now once you've done that, you can go to the elements section just to get yourself some nice cute graphics you can add to it. So it just says click the link to get your own recipe book with more yummy recipes, okay? Now once you've created your own little recipe, your own little Pinterest pin, you're gonna go ahead and click where it says share, and then you're gonna click download, and then you're just gonna download it as PNG as it says, okay? Hit download. I've also created a Facebook group which you can go ahead and join with the link in my description, where it will be a community where you could all talk and interact with each other to help us on our affiliate marketing as well as any online business journey, okay? Now once your pin is downloaded, what you then need to do is create a Pinterest account. Even if you have one already, I recommend creating a brand new Pinterest account, and there you're gonna click where it says sign up, and then you can sign up with your Google, or you can sign up with an email or whatever you want. Now once you've created your Pinterest account, the first thing you need to do is head over to this little arrow, and you need to convert your account to a business account. So once you've done this, it's gonna ask you to upgrade, and you just say yes, and then it's gonna ask you to build your profile. This is where you add in the name you want to call your Pinterest page. Do I have a website? Yes. This is where you add in your direct me page. This is the page where you have your affiliate link sitting, okay? Go back to your notepad, okay? You're gonna copy that page, and then you're gonna paste it in, okay? Then you can add in your country, and then just click next, and then you can go ahead and fill in the rest, okay? Now then you need to go ahead and add in a profile photo. You need to go ahead and add in a banner as well as a description. If you're not sure what to do, you can go ahead and take inspiration from other pages. Do not copy other people's pages. That's so not cool. But what you want to do is just take inspiration. Now you need to post the content to get the traffic driven to your page and then to your affiliate link. You go to where it says create, and then you click create pin, okay? And then once you've done that, it's gonna take you to this page. This is where you select the images that you created on Canva, and then you put them all into this section, okay? Now once you've added them in, you're gonna click create, and then you're gonna click create pin. And then once you've done that, you need to click where it says reorder images to ensure that your images are in the right order. So you can put the first one in the first place, and then the first, and then second, third, fourth. And then once you've done that, you click done, okay? And now you're going to add a destination link. This is the link for your direct me page, which is the bridge page, which consists of your affiliate programs, okay? The same link that's in your bio, you're also going to add it in the pin as well. So you're gonna go to your notepad, you're gonna copy the link, and then you're just gonna come and you're gonna paste it here, okay? And now you need to add a title for your pin. Add what the name of your pin is as well as other keywords. Now you see where it says tell everyone what your pin is about? This is where you say what the pin is about. I also added a call to action within my description saying, and if it does, click the link in the pin for more recipes, okay? Remember, you want to keep things natural. You never want to make it seem like you're selling, okay? Just a little subtle hints. Then I added in just about 3 hashtags in there, okay? And then once you have this done, all you need to do is hit publish. I always recommend you post all your items in selected boards. So we're gonna go ahead and create a board, and then we're gonna call it keto breakfast recipes, okay? We're gonna click create, and then we're gonna go ahead and hit publish. And just like that, if we come back to our profile, we'd be able to see that our pin has now been uploaded to our page. And then if somebody else came onto our page, and then let's just say they found our pin, they would go ahead and click our pin, and then they would go ahead and look through it. Okay, they would see how they can create it for themselves, so they would get that value that you're providing to them. And then if they read your description, they're like, I like this, let me see what their link is about. I want to see if there's more recipes for me. And then once they click that link, it's going to direct them to your page. Now on your page, remember, it's not gonna look like this. You're gonna decorate it nicely. They will see get your 5-minute vegan recipe cookbook here, or get your plant-based recipe cookbook here. They go ahead and click that link, and if they like what they see, they go ahead, they make the purchase, you get your commission, and just like that, you're making money. Now in regards to how often you need to post, that really depends on you and your schedule as well as your capabilities. For this to really work, I would recommend you post at least once a day. If you could churn out 2-3 of these recipes per day, your page will grow very fast. So you could use my content planner in the description. That will help you stay on schedule so you could scale this business and start earning money as fast as possible. And I'll give you one bonus secret when it comes to Pinterest and ways you can actually get more profile views. If you come to her page and you see saved, you will take a notice that she has all these different Pinterest boards she created, and this one she even posted in it 1 day ago. Now as you can see, some of them have over 3,000 pins. What you can do is save other people's pins to your own Pinterest board, and that way people will find those boards looking for inspiration, and then they may come across your pin, click your pin, and then that's how you'll gain more traffic just from creating boards. If you have any questions whatsoever about this method, leave a comment down below. I'll get back to you. And if you enjoyed this video, be sure to check out this other video on my channel to learn more ways you can make money online.